Alright guys, welcome to another unboxing. Let's see what we have in the package. Well, that was easy, but didn't quite do it. There we go. Let's see what's in the box here. Oh, I was looking for this. It finally came in. Now what you have here is a little USB hub. And as you can see here, it's got 3 USB ports. It's got the SD card reader, the mini flash card, I guess, micro SD card, and some other ports that I don't even know what they do, but I will research it. And then this should work well, hopefully, on most PCs. There you go. It should tell us something about on here. Hopefully you guys can see all that good stuff. So if I miss something out, hopefully it's there. And here we go. Tells you about the card readers, I guess, in there. Take a look at that. Alright. And on here there's some pictures of the different types of cards. I don't know all of them. But yeah, there you have it. So let's quickly take it out of the box and see what it looks like from inside. There's no real instruction manuals, just the thing itself. And as you can see here, the typical USB. And I'll just turn it around so you guys can see what it looks like. I guess you can power it somehow. That doesn't come with the charger. And that's all, folks. So hopefully this will help you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.